Hey YouTube fam, what's going on guys? So I'm back here at the Incinerators. I got a couple of different videos planned. The first thing I'm gonna do here for this video right here is a warm-up pack. It's basically gonna be a warm-up pack, but there's a second part to that. So I'm gonna just kind of cruise around, take it easy at first, you know, get stable and get my confidence and all that stuff, get warmed up basically. And then the second thing I want to be trying. So part of this video is going to be goggle footage, and part of it is going to be off of my GoPro session, my Hero 5 session. But I want to show you guys something. So I'm upgrading my DJI goggles. I'm putting a Voss Cyclops antenna and a digidapter, so it can run my analog quads and stuff. So I'm fixing those up. So I took the stock antennas off. I put the stock DJI antennas on my Eachine box goggles. I want to try it and see if it works. I know they're probably supposed to be for digital antennas only, but I want to at least try it. I want to see if it makes them, if it changes how they work or anything. And it's just a good way to warm up and test something new that I haven't seen anybody else do. So like I said, part of this video is going to be from my Hero 5 session. I'll probably start out the video from the Hero 5 session, and then at some point I'll switch it up and show you guys what the footage looks like through the goggles with stock DJI antennas on the Eachine box goggles. Anyway, enough of me rambling. Let's get warmed up and see if these little nubby DJI antennas work any good on these box goggles. Alright guys, that didn't work out so well. I think it was because of the DJI goggles. I mean the DJI antennas on my analog box goggles. I don't think it works. I lost video. I don't think I lost radio signal, but I lost video. I couldn't see where I was going. So I put the regular antennas back on it, and we're going to try it again. I want to make sure that I'm not having any radio problems anymore, because that was the main issue. So here we go, let's get started. I'm gonna fly again. I didn't hurt the drone, and we're gonna try it with the regular antennas instead of the DJI antennas, and hopefully my crossfire stuff is fixed. So here we go. Alright guys, so that's gonna end that video. So now you know, do not put DJI antennas on your box goggles. It did not work. I got worse signal. It caused me to crash. Luckily I didn't break the drone. But yeah, I took them off and my crossfire's fixed. No more fail-safe. And that first incident was all because I had the DJI antennas on the goggles. So I tried it so you don't have to. Don't put leftover DJI antennas on your box goggles or any other kind of analog goggles, because they don't work very good. So I put the regular antennas back on it, and that was the second half of the flight, as you guys seen. So it did good after that. So that was my warm-up pack. I'm all warmed up now. So now that's the end of this video, but I'm gonna go ahead and make another video. So I don't know when it'll be up. I'm sure this one will be up first, but check back, there'll be another video. I'm gonna go ahead and make another one now. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.